Just kind of also going to show you what a typical Texas real estate investment, 1,600, 1,700 square foot, one story, brand new. This one happened to be about $200,000, and it's renting for about $1,700 per month, and those numbers work really well. As part of the presentation, when you attend the Austin Investment webinar, I'll send you a Performa Tool. Mm-hmm. This is basically a spreadsheet that you plug in. You can plug in numbers. It doesn't matter if it's Austin or anywhere else. And it's a great spreadsheet to show you what your cash-on-cash return is. Engineers love it, and they can play with the numbers. They can tweak it. They can change the interest rate, the tax rate, and everything like that. And it's only a few things that you have to plug in, and it just spits out what the return is going to be. So that's kind of some of the bullet points. I'll also go over some of the lifestyle things, about Austin. People just don't realize how beautiful and green it is.
Right.
And then we give you an opportunity to join one of our bus tours. But in the meantime, while we're not doing any bus tours, we're going to do the virtual bus tours.
Right.
And so what it is, like tomorrow, I'm going to New Braunfels, which is a suburb of Austin between San Antonio and here. And I'll be taking my video camera with me, and my marketing partner will be there, and we'll be taking videos in real time of what's available right now. And that goes right out to our investor group, because what I'm going to show you tomorrow isn't going to be there 2 weeks from now.
Right.
So, and then this was our group of investors that came out on this bus ride in January, and they bought this many properties, actually more than this from me. So, and what was great about it is that it was community. People, a lot of them knew each other, and it was also a great way to the newbies were being educated and mentored by the ones that had already been involved in real estate. So that's what's fun about these things, and that's what I'm looking at, is building community with the Austin Investment webinar, showing people how to do this. Also, not ignoring people who want to relocate here. Like I said, we were talking about the whole thing of people working from home. I just had a filmmaker buy a beautiful house in Rough Hollow, which is in Lakeway. It's a really nice area. And he was commuting an hour and a half to downtown LA each way every day. And when he got sequestered at home, he could still do his work. His bosses said, "You're doing just a great job. In fact, you're more productive from home. Maybe there's less distractions there. So you can actually live from anywhere.
Nice.
You can live anywhere. You can work from anywhere." And so that's what would like to get in front of, is not just the people who want to build a nice big portfolio of properties quickly and relatively inexpensively, but also looking for those reloads, the people that want to come out here. Let me take them on a tour, show them what Austin's all about, and it's like a kid in a candy store.
Sure, I bet it is,
because the value of the houses are about 1/4 of what you can get in the coast. So I'm showing them that little 1-bedroom or 3-bedroom house that I had there. That in Austin would be about $250, $220. Out there it was $1.4 million.
Wow.
So, yeah. So it's just opening up people's eyes, educating, being excited and passionate about it. I've been doing it for 35 years, 25 years here in Austin. I came from California to do the same thing that I'm teaching my clients now, and have been for many years. And I've sold well over 1,000 houses to real estate investors. And I guide them all the way through it from start to finish and to disposition, help them get it leased, help them get it managed, the whole 9 yards.
You do a lot of stuff.
Been doing it for a while.
Yeah,
it's like you and your radio show. You've been doing it for a while. I mean, you do it in your sleep, right?
Right. I just wish I had more sleep. That's all. Again, so the where people can go for the bigger deep dive on this.
It's going to be austininvestmentwebinar.com.
Okay.
So, and we'll also be tying my other website, which is buyaustin.com. Will be directed right there for the next several months.
All right. Ken, good seeing you, man.
All right. Thanks.
It's been a good year.
512-423-5626. Has been a good year, and I appreciate all of your efforts and
you bet.
your advocacy.
Check it out.
Thanks a lot.